In today's video, I'm going to teach you to be able to Figma, how to create a progress ring. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser and signing in if you need to. From your dashboard, open your existing design file where you'd like the progress ring to live. Having your canvas ready will make placement and sizing much easier. Next, create the base circle. Select the ellipse tool or press the O key, then click and drag while holding Shift to draw a perfect circle. This circle will become the ring, so we'll adjust its appearance. With the circle selected, set the fill to none and turn on stroke. Increase the stroke weight until it looks like a bold ring. To show progress, use the arc controls. In the right-hand panel, enable arc if needed and drag the arc as start or end handle to reveal the portion that represents your percentage. For example, if you want around 75%, you can drag until roughly 3/4 of the circle is visible. You can fine-tune the angle numerically in the properties if you prefer precision. Once that first circle looks right, copy and paste it using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+5 on Windows, or Command+C and Command+V on Mac. The duplicate will sit on top. We're going to turn this into the inner fill circle. With the duplicate selected, set stroke to none and turn the fill back on. Hold Alt or Option while scaling from a corner so it resizes from the center, and make it small enough to fit neatly inside the ring, leaving a consistent gap that matches your ring thickness. This creates a clean, layered progress look with a colored inner circle and a stroked outer arc. Now, adjust colors to make the progress easy to read. Choose a strong, contrasting color for the progress stroke and a softer or neutral color for the inner fill. If you'd like, you can set the ring's unfilled portion to a lighter shade of the same hue for a subtle background track. Finally, add the percentage label. Select the text tool, click in the middle, and type the percentage value you want to display. Center the text both horizontally and vertically using the alignment controls, and increase the font size so it's legible at a glance. A medium or bold weight often works best. If your elements shift, select the ring, inner circle, and text, then group them so they move together. That's it. Open your file, draw a circle, adjust it into a ring, duplicate it for the inner fill, set your colors, and add the percentage text to complete a polished progress ring.